yellow truck, bet they both gon' clear the scene. Watch me do 100 miles per hour when the light turn green. You know you can't ride with us if you can't show the bubble beat. Once you hit a revving on the engine, you know what that means. Red car, yellow truck, bet they both gon' clear the scene. Watch me do 100 miles per hour when the light turn green. You know you can't ride with us if you can't show the bubble beat. Once you hit a revving on the engine, you know what that means.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? So, the Honda, it's coming along, man. It's coming along. I'll show y'all a quick thing with that. Um, any updates as far as Yellow Jacket? Nah, not really. Put Yellow Jacket on hold for, I don't know, maybe like the next week or two. Kind of was trying to focus more on the no prep car. So, doing some things with that. I'm gonna give y'all another quick clip. Not quite ready to show y'all the car just yet. So it's just a bunch of teasers until, you know, I'm gonna do basically like a big reveal, you know what I mean? And we're gonna go from there, you know? What's up, folks? So we getting this thing together, and the Honda, that is. Look at here. So got it all back together, distributed. I numbered it myself. 1, 3, 4, 2. For those of you that didn't know that, this vehicle here is 1, 3, 4, 2 is the firing order. So we're gonna plug that in. We're gonna plug that up. No air filter on it yet, y'all. We got a couple things to do. We still don't have a cap for the coolant, for the antifreeze. So I haven't put any antifreeze in it yet. But we just starting it real quick because this is her first time starting a car. We just put a new coolant reservoir. I don't know what they did. They mangled it. We're gonna put one of those like K&N style type air filters right here. It's gonna probably sound a little funny when it run. As you see, I got a rusted in O2 sensor we gotta get out. I just cut the wire. A buddy of mine got the tool, put the socket, because my wrench that I had, O2 sensor wrench, was a little bit too big for it, so it just kind of spun off. I didn't want to strip the sensor itself. So like I said, a buddy of mine, he's got the socket that goes on it. We're gonna use that. We already got a new O2 sensor. But y'all check this out. Huh? Well, we already threw away that thing.
What?
We already threw away that weird coolant tank.
I don't know. You had to get it.
I'm not about to dig in the trash to get it, but it's in the bottom of the trash can. Oh well. Was gonna show you guys. All right, so go ahead and put it in, cause I got it hooked up. So go ahead and turn it over. I said you're not gonna let it run long, but stop. All right. Sure is. Good deal. Turn it off.
What was that?
All right. So we getting somewhere, y'all. She coming along. So next step, man. Tie ride. So guys, look. If you haven't done it already, you know I've mentioned the www.tentkits.com, right? Need you guys to go on there, check it out, get your tent, tell your friends, family, all that stuff. It's pre-laser cut, has all vehicles. It's really easy. And then some of you guys just got shops and things like that doing tent. Save some money. When I say save money, you cutting half your time away by not having to do the edits yourself. So listen, look guys, Suntech, you know what I mean? It's good tent, really. So check it out. Take my word for it. Seriously. All right, y'all. Peace.
Good.
One sec.
You let me know.
Yep. It's reading now. Give me 1 sec.
No. Take your time. Just make sure, because I don't want. I mean, look. I don't want it to run no longer than say 5 minutes or so.
Yep.
Because then we'll be standing here for like an hour.
Trying to let it cool down.
Yeah.
I got you. I need to turn this key on.
But let it run long enough, whatever we need to do, because I want it,
Yep.
I want to see some data.
We just need to turn the key on.
Click it one more.
Yep. And then this way it'll connect. Because it wouldn't gather it there.
Oh,
it is.
yeah,
It wouldn't gather
It
any
wouldn't.
info at
No.
first.
Especially with no key. There was no power to it.
There we go. All right, she ready. She
Let
ready.
me just get an idea. All right, where's map? All right, look, RPM, speed, where's oil pressure? Just so I'm not looking around later. Isn't there an oil pressure?
Engine oil pressure.
Okay, so it shows it over there. You don't
Yeah.
have it on the main screen, right? Okay.
Yeah. You can play with it and move it.
All right,
Yeah.
so throttle position's at 0. I see that. Yep, I see what you mean. Look, it's reading the O2s. It's reading both banks, I guess. Right?
Yep.
All right, you can fire.
Bank 1, bank 2. Yep. And then we can change it. Matter of fact, let me.
I just want to see. My main thing is oil pressure.
Yeah, it should.
Well, you're gonna data when
We're
you.
gonna save it anyway.
I was gonna say, okay, you start the save after it started.
It's recording now.
Oh, okay.
Yep. So all
You're
this
good.
is
Yeah.
going.
Fire.
Just crank her.
Yeah, it should just pop right off, man.
They need to stop it and redo it. Because it usually gets numbers here and it's all zeros. I'm gonna just stop and reconnect. I'm gonna get out your way.
All right. So that little clip that I showed y'all, that was with the stock ECU, which is not the system that's going to be powering the car. The car actually runs off a Haltech system, but we were in the middle of trying to figure something out, so we were just testing something with the HP Tune. This is the last day that the car even will do anything off of that computer, you know what I mean? So just don't even pay no attention to that. The reason why I posted it though was just so you guys could see a little bit more without seeing anything. You get what I'm saying? Just giving y'all little clips, little teasers. And now, like I said before, I'm gonna reveal more and more and more. Y'all just gotta stick with me. And all y'all Yellow Jacket fans that's out there just still waiting, bear with me. I'm about to get back on doing a lot of stuff with Yellow Jacket here within the next maybe week or two. So, you know, y'all know it takes time to record and then do the editing, but just, you know, hang in there. But Yellow Jacket's we about to step it up. You know, moving on up, right? All right. Other than that, man, I enjoy you guys' comments and things like that. I hope you guys enjoy the videos. The more you guys watch, the more you guys like. I need more subscribers, things like that. I'm looking into starting to do giveaways and things of that nature, but I need more subscribers. So, you know, spread the word. We got old videos out there they can watch to get caught up and things like that, y'all. So stick with me as far as some of the, and you know, I told y'all I'm getting affiliated with like sponsorships and things like that. So I'll be able to have like coupon codes and all of that type stuff, right? So definitely get with me, stick with me, walk with me. Enjoy your day. Peace. Hey, peoples, real quick. Just wanted to pop in here. Like I said, hot second. I need y'all. www. Nah, I'm just playing. Hey, look, all you Honda folks out there, you know, that may have just started following for that. I do have more stuff that I'm going through right now. I'm actually in the process of doing the editing on that. I have it coming out. It's already, I'm pretty much there. So maybe before the end of this upcoming week, I have video out for you guys. And for everybody else, I hope you enjoy the video. As always, walk with me. Peace.
Red car, yellow truck, bet they both gon' clear the